43.
41.
43.
41.
Zook! Good morning, Zook! Zook!
There should be a bottle, isn't it? Nah. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Dan. Birthday to me. Thank you. Nag-nails ka. Mag-nails din ako. Wala akong nails. Parang malamig. Malamig ang umaga.
Happy birthday!
Ano oras ka nagising? Ah, thank you, baby.
Oh my gosh, ang aga.
Aga? Oh my God, it's Tita Manay's birthday. It's real. Thank you, Kuya. Where's my lots of kisses?
Many kisses for her birthday.
Isa kasi, pilay mo. Wow! Ay, ang galing naman. Love you. I said I love you. I love you. Oh, cute. Ay, thank you. Thank you, guys. Kaibigan ni Kuya nag-greet din sa akin.
Kaya nga, cute nga.
Naghintay ka.
Sabi niya.
Tintinay, happy birthday. Ang cute. Si Kuya, si Kuya. Ha? Tanda ko na talaga. 40 talaga. Akala ko 28.
Ay!
Akala ko 28. Hindi, akala ko 42. Tapos sabi niya, no, mom, you're 43. So, nag-minus pa kayo. 2025 minus 1982. Para makita lang talaga yun. Yung...
Sabi nga ni Sharon, ilang taon na si Chona? Sabi ko, ilang taon si Dan this year? Hindi ba alam yung taon sa asawa mo? Hindi. Ilang taon nga si Dan this year? 43. 43 si Manay din.
Matanda pa nga si Manay.
Matanda pa pala.
Matanda pa. Oh, may coffee siya.
I lost. Oo nga, yung kopi ko. Ay, hindi ka pa.
Hindi mo na ako. Ayaw ko mag-berry glow.
Natanggal.
Baka mag-ano ako.
Yeah, wag. Baka sa may nili ka ng kalat.
Sabagay, madami naman doon. Kaso walang takip.
Parang yung bushes.
Sok, anong oras ka natulog, Sok?
Ayla.
Sok, anong oras ka natulog?
Ayla! It's Tita Manay's birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Ay, wow! May cute! Kaya pala sabi niyo, magpa-picture kami. Matagal yun na itong hiningi. Thank you, ate.
Oh, that's nice, ate. That's nice.
Oh, thank you.
Ate Ayla!
Card. Oh, to a lovely mom. Ang cute na ang regalo mo, Baba. Kaya pala.
Yeah.
That's supposed to say.
Happy birthday, Mom. I hope you have a good birthday and my present. Oh, cute, Holly. Hi, Baba.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Thank you.
birthday.
Ma. Happy birthday to me!
Ulit na naman, Arlo. Ulit na naman.
Ito talagang pinaka-the best talaga. Happy birthday
Huwag
to
ka na
me!
masyadong paghalata ng paborito.
Ay, tas naman. Paborito man yun ni Tito Jang Isa. Tapos ng papa niya. Oh, Tito Matay. Tito Matay. I love it, Baba. Ang cute. Kaya
That
parang...
is so nice, ate.
cute.
Well done, ate.
It's alright. We're just gonna do this.
Ala, look at the photo. That's Ate Holly's present to Tita Manay.
Thank you.
Nice.
Got your helmet on or?
Kaya pa, nagpa-picture ka sa akin.
Oh, yeah? Siya
Ano,
nagsabi
sabi niya,
ng
ma'am,
picture,
can I have a photo with you? And then send it to them. Pero matagal na.
Oh, yeah. Pero hindi laptop. Ang cute. Well done, ate.
Man.
Very good.
Thank you, ate. There. Can you put it there? We can hang it there, Baba, instead of this one. It's alright. Kasi nainis siya kasi na ano. Ay,
Kayo na
wow!
bahala
May
man
pahabol
mag-vlog
man ang
ni
mus. Di mo nagpapatalo si ano?
From Dad.
This is for dad.
Sorry,
For dad. Pag si Jen, natatawa talaga. Hindi ka ano to. Pag si Jen talaga. Ang cute.
Yeah, she does.
Tingnan mo yung tape. Nag-effort talaga siya. Siguro yung ano lang.
Nice. Tingnan mo yung ilalim ng pressure.
Ano kaya to? Adidas to. Who wrapped this one?
Dad dropped it.
Ah, Dad. Oh, kaya pala.
Sweet.
Ang cute. Ano kaya to? Isang pot.
Chopping board.
Ano kaya to? May pabak na naman.
Knife for your kitchen.
Ah, Apple Watch! Ay, thank you, babe! Oh my God, I didn't expect this! Apple Yan nga lang. Uy, thank you, babe. Oh my God. Gusto kong bumili nito. Gusto ko nga yung ano.
Well done,
Oh
Johnny
my
boy.
God. Ay, surprise ako. In fairness sa'yo, babe. Ngayon lang ako super surprised.
Pardon.
Well done.
Oh my God, thank you, ha.
Wet at the back. Is that sheet or just?
No, that's
Paano mo
mommy.
nalaman na gusto
I
ko?
just changed your nappy.
Oh my
But maybe smell.
God.
I just changed your nappy, but
Zachary!
That wasn't.
Ay, ang cute po ng kulay.
That was the only colour I didn't want to get the big one because it's too
Yeah,
big.
this is good, babe. I love it.
It looks small.
Oh my God. Where did you go to get this?
Melbourne.
that's nice.
Ah, nagkahinto nung pumunta kami doon. Sabi kong gustong-gusto ko to.
And that was the only coloured band. The rest
Yeah,
were all
it's
just
alright,
black.
babe. It's really
For the
nice.
first time.
Oh my God. I love it. Thank you. Paano to gagawin?
So you can sync it with your phone if you go on your phone.
Yeah.
It says watch.
Yeah, I
Press on
watched.
that, and then
Yeah.
it's $5 extra a month to. If you leave your phone at home, you can still use.
No, I don't need it. I can. No, it's alright. Like to.
I would.
This
To-
is my
so I
to
can ring
receive
and
my
So it's the $5, but you just go and you can do it yourself. You say, but you sync it.
It's like
You know how to
it's a
sync it,
unit.
wouldn't you?
Ah.
Right?
I would know, yeah.
Yeah.
Uy, ang ganda, babe. I like the color. Shit.
Other ones are all black. That one's. Yeah, thank you, Lila.
It looks small.
No, it's
That's
nice,
not-
Kuya. It's
See,
nice.
look how big it is on
Look,
her
my-
wrist.
Yeah.
No, that's
You had
perfect
it got-
size
It's
for
perfect size, Kuya.
Even the next one up was big, then it was bigger again, but
42.
and they didn't have all the rest were just black.
Yeah, I love the color, honey.
I know.
Oh my God, thank
Well
you.
done,
Oh my
Johnny boy.
God. Parang mag-exercise na talaga ako nito.
Help us, Zach.
Zach, how to do this, Zach?
I'm hungry now.
Just
Ay, magluluto na ako.
I'm hungry now, mommy. Happy birthday.
Mga ano to, mga joker talaga mga anak ko. Yung sobrang sayo mo, I'm hungry na magluluto na.
Kita magluto, Ben. Gusto nila.
Tinapay.
Ah?
Pardon.
Hindi, mag-ano lang siya,
Is it charged?
No, I'm gonna charge it.
Needs to be a little bit
Yeah, you have to
smaller, doesn't it?
Ay,
That looks
nice.
nice.
No, I need to charge it, babe.
Where's the cord?
What cord?
Oh,
I think it's
okay,
just
cool.
a magnet charger.
Oh, there you
Ah,
go.
this one. Yeah, magnet.
Good
Yeah.
luck.
Ayan. Ang cute.
Oh, you
Thank
plug it
you.
in. There, Tom. There you go.
Ah,
You'd have a little bit
Have
of
a
battery.
way.
may baliktad mo tayo. Ganito pa lang. Sorry naman, Zach. Kaya pala hirap na hirap tayo kasi, ayan. Ganito ba? Ay, ganito. Oh my God, hon. Thank you so much. Oh my God, talaga.
Yes.
Hindi kita ina-expect. Thank you, babe. No, thank you. I love you. Why, thank you. Ayan. Gustong-gusto ko to. Nung kumuha siya ng phone, nagpalit siya. Nagtitingin talaga ako nito. Nagtitingin lang ako. Tapos, kailan pa yun? Last month. Pero hindi ko pa siya binili. Ayan, binili niyo. Thank you. I love it, Ann.
Yeah, does it?
Yeah, it's a low
Check out
battery.
that door.
Yes,
What's
baby.
it say?
Yes,
Can you
baby.
connect with Apple Watch too?
Yeah, I'm gonna...
It's charger.
Yeah. I'm gonna charge it first. Ay, thank you naman sa aking paayos.
You happy?
Yeah, very happy.
That's good.
Ang ganda.
Bye,
Tama lang yung...
Indy!
Where you going? Tamang-tama lang yung size, no? Hindi
yeah,
ganun
that's good.
kalaki. Are you gonna charge it, Zach? Charge it there?
Where? On yours.
Hindi, just like... I think like that. I don't know.
Is
Just
it
figure-
magnet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Zach. Thank you, guys. For me! Ay, meron na! Thank you!
No, Johnny.
Thank you! Is that for me? Give me kado!
Happy
Ay,
birthday!
thank
Like kisses?
Kisses!
Many kisses?
Many kisses! Tito ate! Love you. Love you. Ay.
Watch this, Tito John. This is for you, Tito John.
Oh.
May kalukuhan ka naman din. Mas happy si si John
Couple
dito sa
shot for the
ano.
night. Head dance.
Pinag-uusapan namin to. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Apparently you're running low.
Ay, nandito. Nandito na. Ay, gusto
Yeah.
ko to.
Gusto mo yan?
Oh,
Hindi
yung,
ko nga nagamit.
Hindi, yung Korean ano to guys, yung parang ililip mo yung mask, tapos
Yeah.
puti siya, tapos magki-clear. Basta, pakita ko yan sa inyo. Ang cute! Ay, ano to? Ay, tubi. May pag... Ay, ang cute. Ay, tala, masusunod ko to today.
Merry Christmas.
Masusunod ko.
Christmas balls.
Masusunod ko to. Thank you, Sisi.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Danny Boy and the family.
Wala na, iniwan ka na ng kids.
Ay, eto, favorite ni John. Magsisisingil yan mamaya. Walang ay, yung pansit canton nga. Yung kalaman. Wala ka na Indomie. Wala na. Maanghang din. Ako kay Dan? Bakit? Gusto mo na ng Indomie? Huwag na. Just in case. Kalamansi. Kalamansi. Mayroon doon. Hindi siya maanghang ata. O, yan na lang kaya sa mga bata. Ito. Umalis pala si Dan tsaka si Jan. Bumili ng, ano bang bibili nila? Si Dan may bibilin sa ulis. Si Jan may bibilin siyang gamot. Gamot. Aalis na sila, may aalis na. And eto, kumakain. Tapos si Kuya, nagluto siyang Indomie. Ay, chu. Anong gusto? Tapos si Rice, nilulutuan niya rin yung mga bata ng ng pansit canton. Yung nabili natin sa Asian store. Ay, what's wrong, baby? Da. And today, mag-winery tayo. We're going to the winery with Indy. Oh, yes, baby. Ay, chili? Dito na sila. Nandito na ang boys.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello! Cute. Ang cute ni Arlo. Hello, Daddy!
Nagpabili ako sa kanya ng
Indomie?
Hindi, kitchen scissors. Kasi nawala, sira na din yung amin. So sabi ko, pumili ka ng maganda kasi iuwi natin.
Ah.
I don't.
Hi, Dong daw!
Thank you, babe.
Hi, Dong!
Are you Indy?
Ah, it's Indy.
We've got an Indy too. We've got a little Indy.
Yeah.
Say hello, Alex. Say hello.
Say hi.
Oh, it's not you, baby. There's another Indy. There's another
Ito ko kay Betong Indy, si Zook Indy.
Ay. Ang lapit no.
Naka-zoom. Who's here? Who's this? Is that Indy? Girls and Arlo. Hi, Baba. Nice weather. Si Kuya. Ayun na naman si Kuya. Nagfi-fishing na naman siya. You catch any, yeah? Kahapon daw may nakuha siya. Pero hindi niya naman pinicturan. So, walang evidence. Walang resibo. Oh, is it nice in here? Yes, Indy. Is it nice in here? Is it nice? Look at that. May speedboat dito. Dito tayo. Ayan. Look at the speedboat, baby. See the speedboat? Yeah. Do you wanna ride there? Do you wanna ride? But that's not us. Busog na po to. Busog na to. Nag-burp na. Happy na. Hindi pa nga lang siya nagsusuka. Which is good. Which is good. Nagluluto si Raisha kasi dando ng breakfast. Kasi daw day off ko today. Day off ko today sa kitchen. I said, okay. Thank you. I will have Indy. Ang cute ni Indy. Ang cute ng Indy. Hi, good morning. Thank you. You're so cute though, baby. You are cute, baby. Ang ganda pa ng weather. Kasi walang araw, hindi pa ganun kainit. Anong oras na kaya? Pasok tayo doon, tingnan natin yung oras. Takbo yung dalawa kasi may nahuli si kuya. Pero ibabalik niya rin yan. Let me see. Oh, I can fry it.
No, we're not eating that.
We're not eating this? Oh, Isla? Okay.
I know you. Arla, do you want to pick it up?
Pick it up.
Isla?
Why, Isla?
He wants to give it a kiss before they throw it back
Ah! Yo! It looks like a snapper.
No.
It's a cow.
I'm trying to.
Okay.
in. Say bye, fishies.
Bye. So, ito yung pa-breakfast ni Sisi. Raz and Danny Boy. O, diba? Mayroon tayong pansit. Ito yung spaghetti version ng Australia. Ayoko nga. Kasi bakit hindi ako kumasya sa aking damit? Likod ko. Ha?
We'll give Johnny the next.
Yeah.
I'll do it, Joe.
Thank you.
Cheese for Johnny?
Yeah, cheese. Ayaw niyo taga ako pakilutin. Ayaw ko pakilutin ni Dan. Ewan ko saan si Dan yung sabi siya daw gagawa.
Ayan, para kay Johnny Boy daw to.
Maybe you want more bacon? That's good. Check another piece of bacon. Johnny, barbecue sauce? It's really good.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, only nuggets you use that one.
Only nuggets.
Yeah, but not the bread. Yeah.
Haven't have you eaten already, Ken? I've already had one. This is yours. Excuse me.
Yeah, the man.
That's alright.
Ang gumawa ng dyan.
Oh, wait. Is it lips one? I did the same thing. I did the same thing, don't I? Oh,
That's not smart.
Right.
Oh, ano?
Where's the
Pepper?
pepper? They're there.
Yeah.
So that.
Ayan yung kanya.
No, that's enough. I think everyone.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.